Hi, my name's Molly, and I want to tell you what a great experience we had with Roofing Pros. My husband and I bought our house about 12 years ago, and last summer we replaced all our air conditioners with new energy efficient ones, which did wonders in helping us cut our electricity bills. Then we heard we could save even more with a radiant barrier and energy efficient shingles. So we thought, over the years, we've had a lot of big thunderstorms, and some of them have had some pretty good sized hail in them. So we figured, why not call the experts over and see if we needed a new roof? Then we could get our homeowner's insurance to cover most of the expense. So we called Roofing Pros, and they came out and gave us a free service call along with a free estimate. And they told us they thought we might qualify for a new roof. So we called our insurance company, and they sent an adjuster out, and sure enough, we did. That's when Roofing Pros really impressed us. We had a short meeting with them and told them we wanted a more energy efficient roof, and they completely took over from there. They handled all of the communication with our insurance company, and 2 weeks later, we had a brand new Energy Star rated roof. Then they even showed us how to qualify for a government tax credit for using Energy Star rated shingles, which saved us even more money. It's been 3 months now, and our electricity bills are lower than ever, and we couldn't have done it without Roofing Pros. They are awesome, and we would highly recommend them to anyone that needs a new roof.
Hi there, my name is Veronica, and I bought my first house a few months ago. About a month ago, there was a really big storm in my town. And me and my family ended up in the bathroom scared because of the tornado warning and everything. Well, the power went off and it came back on the next day. So I didn't think that, it was that bad. But then I noticed a wet area in my ceiling and I walked outside and I realized that there were power lines down and a lot of other stuff that were destroyed. So it was bad. Then I looked at my roof and I saw why it was leaking. There was a bunch of shingles that were just gone. It was ridiculous. So I went back in Google and I Googled roof repair and I found Roofing Pros. They actually answered the phone really fast, took down my information, and later on that afternoon they came out and they helped me to temporarily cover up the damage. So I was really happy about that. Then a few days later, my insurance adjuster came out and, surveyed the damage. And Roofing Pros worked with my insurance company to cover the work that they have already done for me and to help me get a new roof put in my house as quickly as possible. They were really fast, they were efficient, they were really awesome. I love them. So I will highly recommend Roofing Pros to anyone out there if you need a new roof.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I just wanted to take a moment to tell you about Roofing Pros. We had a hailstorm come through, and it just totally damaged our roof. We needed to put a new roof on the house. So I went and I got some estimates, and I did all the prep work and everything, and um, I took a look at a lot of different options out there. A couple of my friends told me about the metal roofing options that are available these days, and so I called Roofing Pros, and they told me all about the benefits of having a metal roof versus a regular asphalt shingle roof. And one of which is, of course, that obviously hail's not going to damage it. They said even 120-mile-an-hour winds and softball size hail is not going to damage the roof. The other benefits that we've got now too is that it's got a great energy rating to it. It's extremely energy efficient. It's actually Energy Star rated, which for a roof I didn't think you could do. It has foam backing, so it's not going to bring as much heat into the house as into the attic or into the house as before. Our electric bills have really gone down a lot. Now with the fireworks around, we don't have to worry about the roof catching fire because it's metal and it looks great. Came in a really nice attractive finish, and so it looks way better than our old asphalt roof did. And it also, come to find out when I got everything all said and done, there's a government tax credit available that helped us actually save some money and get a little bit lower insurance for putting on the permanent roof. So when they came out, they did a great job. There were no nails in the front. I didn't have any nails in any of the tires. They cleaned up everything completely. They were professional. They did an amazing job, and I would really highly recommend the Manani one. They did a great job on our roof, and I know they're going to do the same for yours. Thanks so much.